Oh, Yahweh, Yahweh. I know this God, He is strong and mighty. I know this God.
Hallelujah. We are glad to invite you and to present to you It Is Raining. This is our one-day annual prayer conference, and this is going to come to you from Christ Dominion Ministries International, Moreno Valley in California. Hallelujah. The dynamic speakers of the day are going to be Pastor Festus and Nkechi Amole. The host, Pastor Jude Moye, Pastor Fred Ejefo, Pastor Samuel Cabo. Venue 24318 Hemlock Avenue, Suite F1, Moreno Valley, California 92557. Time 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Californian time. Platforms is going to be virtual and also physical. Hallelujah. RAIN stands for divine blessings, and I guarantee you an indelible and inerasable experience. It's going to be glorious. The Lord told me about the year 2021. It's going to be a year of strong man's house. You cannot afford to miss this prayer conference. You need to get yourself prepared, and I bet you it's going to rain. What a glorious moment. Rise up. Invite your friends, invite your loved ones, invite everyone. Bring them, don't miss out. Come and let it rain. It must rain in your life. It must rain in your home, in your marriage, in your academics, in your business. It must rain. Hallelujah. But above all, it must rain in your year 2021. It must rain all over you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. Yes, and I look forward seeing you either way. Hallelujah. God bless you.